Hey, everyone! Thanks for coming back to Wealthy Coin. Shiba Inu coin breaks world record. It's out of control. Shiba Inu. The coin that says it will kill Dogecoin is a joke coin that has a lot of buzz on social media. The Shiba Inu is built on Ethereum, which is the second most popular cryptocurrency in the world. After Bitcoin, it was made in August 2020 by an unknown person or group called Ryoshi. Launching one token on a blockchain that is already up and running only takes a few minutes. This video is about the Shiba Inu coin that broke the world record and made everyone go crazy. Don't forget to slam the thumbs up. Share and subscribe to the channel to see our latest predictions and expert research about Shiba Inu prices. Let's start the video without further ado. Analysts think that the price of a Shiba Inu will go up over the next few years. By the end of 2023, the price of a Shiba Inu may have gone up to 0.3, which is 8 times what it is now. Shiba Inus have never been worth more than 0.80. Shiba Inu's future, however, is not something that experts are very sure about. The average price of a Shiba Inu is expected to be 0.728 in the year 2025. Last year, the prices of Shiba Inus were all over the place. In May, the price of the Shib coin shot up very quickly. But it wasn't able to hold on to its place. Then it was June. The coin was back in the news. By 2030, cryptocurrency will be used by everyone and in every industry. Shiba Inu is one of the most famous cryptocurrencies and is widely used. Since supply keeps going down and demand keeps going up, Shiba Inu is likely to reach 0.1 for the first time since it was created in 2030. This would make Shiba Inus even more likely to be one of the best performing coins ever made in a market that is always changing. Small buyers will be more interested than ever in cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu that are good and cheap. On top of that, more people will agree that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. This is going to make a big difference in how much people want to buy Shib. It's the most important thing that could make Shiba Inu worth $1 by 2030. By 2030, the cryptocurrency market will be fully developed, and most of the get-rich-quick hype will have died down. Shib could trade at 1 or close to it until the 2040s. This is all guesswork, and Shiba Inu could hit 1 a lot sooner or never get there at all. The only way to find out is to play the long game and have something at stake. No one thought Bitcoin would be worth $60,000 when it was only worth a few cents. 10 years later, though, those who bought and kept their investments are now worth millions or billions of dollars. But other groups of analysts think it will be sold for at least 0.24, and the highest price it could reach is 0.29. So, the price will probably be around 0.24 in 2030. Even though the community is strong, critics of the project have said that the token's future success will likely be limited by the fact that it doesn't have many uses or competitive benefits. Experts weren't sure that the Shib coin could hit 1 by 2025 unless 3 important things happened. The start of Shibarium metaverse went well, and a lot of coins were burned. Shibarium, on the other hand, will make deals quick and cheap. Getting more people to use blockchain-based games in the Shiba Inu environment will depend on how well transaction fees are optimized. In the last 3 weeks, as the buyer tried to change the negative story, Shiba Inu's long-term trend line finally changed from resistance to support. Recently, the 0.984 support led to a return to buying, but the buyers couldn't get an edge right away. A sustained move above the current pattern could help buyers find new highs in the future. In the past month, KIB stopped at the 0.1044 mark. Set the stage for a bearish pennant setup on the daily charts, but the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA continued to act as rebound barriers, which caused a reversal. This change in direction broke a trend, which put Shib back on a bearish track. In the meantime, this drop meant a down channel, and as long as the 2050 EMA were pointing south, sellers would continue to have the upper hand in the short run. If the price goes back up from the 0.984 support, it could break above the current pattern. In this case, the 0.10442-1065 band could hurt the efforts to buy. A close above this level, either right away or in the future, could give the token a much-needed boost. In this case, Shib could see a bearish invalidation and a drop in price to test the area around 0.11. On the other hand, a drop below the immediate support could cause a repeat of the down channel's lower trend line. The jump of the Chaikin money flow above zero was in line with the increased buying pressure, but its bigger throws in the last few days have been more important, differentiated in a bearish way from the price movement. Still, staying above the midline for a long time could add to the confident story. A look at the overall shift futures open interest showed that it has gone up by almost 5.2 in the last 24 hours. During the same time, the price movement showed a jump of almost 3. This reading showed a sign of strength in the short term. If buyers use this to their advantage, any break above the current pattern could set the token up for a bull run. Also, the alts had a 43 correlation with Bitcoin over the last 30 days. This means that keeping an eye on how Bitcoin moves in relation to the overall market mood could be important for spotting any false bearish signals. Vitalik Buterin's tweet last week started the protocol in competition to joke coin Shiba Inu, which is growing quickly. But there are still some Shib fans who won't give up on the cryptocurrency and have no plans to switch to the coin. David Goldstein, the founder of Goldstein Media and a well-known cryptocurrency influencer, showed that he is not ready to jump into the Shiba Inu competitor. Instead, he made it clear that he was even more behind the meme coin Shib. He said that he would always love Shiba Inu. Kalkstein said he would stick with the coin that was about dogs. He also said that he cares nothing about the alleged Shib killer. The money. He wrote, "I'm sticking with Shib, and I'm not at all interested in the..." But this doesn't mean that Mr. Gorenstein isn't interested in any other joke coin on the market. He also writes in one of his other tweets, "Give me a meme coin that actually has a plan, a use case, and a product that works. Right now, I want to put 1,000 into something. I want the next thing." Also, this is not the first time Goldstein has spoken out in public support of cryptocurrency. The person who likes meme coins has made many statements about Shib on Twitter. Goldstein said at the beginning of this month that Shiba Inu's next bull run would be like a steep rise. Before that, he also wished he had put all of his money into Shiba Inu when he was investing in meme coin. He said last week that when it came to meme coins, he should have just put everything on Shib. Vitalik Buterin, one of the people who created Ethereum, made fun of new crypto projects by saying that protocols often use that to get attention in the market. He said it as a joke that someone should start a project called the protocol. A few days later, a system called Urquini. It was decided to make the plan. Meme coin that was made by taking a page out of the Shiba Inu's plan, and many people thought it would be the next chip killer. The plan also gave 100 million to Buterin. The next day, the value of meme coins, which made up 10 of all coins in circulation at the time, went up by 1,000. But since then, it has lost a lot of its value. Even though the start of the protocol as a ship killer got some people interested in the meme coin for a short time, Shiba Inu is still going strong.